Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in Mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about problems on operations of algebra of matrices. Today also we shall continue about problems on algebra of matrices. If A equals 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. B equals 1, 3, 0, 2 minus 1, 4, and C equals 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 0 minus 2, 1. Find A into BC, AB into C, and show that AB into C will be equal to A into BC. So let us solve this problem. Let us first find AB. So consider AB is equal to, so A matrix is 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2 into 1, 3, 0, 2 minus 1, 4. A is of the order 3 cross 3. B matrix is of the order 3 cross 2. And the product AB will be of the order 3 cross 2. That means the product AB will have 3 rows and 2 columns. So let us multiply these two matrices. The rule is row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. So first row into first column. Next element will be first row into second column, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 4. Next row is second row into first column, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. So next element will be second row into second column, 2 into 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4. Next row will be third row into first column. 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. Next element will be third row into second column. So 3 into 3 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. So AB equals 1, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 1, 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 4, 8. So AB is equal to, so 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 6 plus 12, 18, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 minus 2, 15. Next we shall find AB into C. We shall find AB into C. So AB matrix is 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15 into C. So C matrix is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So here AB matrix is of order, AB matrix is of the order 3 into 2. C matrix is of the order 2 into 4. So AB into C matrix will be of the order 3 into 4. So that means the product matrix AB into C will be having 3 rows and 4 columns. So AB into C will be equal to, as usual, row into column operation. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, that is first row first column. Next element is first row second column, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Next element is second row into third column, 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 2. Next element will be first row into fourth column, that is 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1. So now next row will be second row into first column, that is minus 1 into 1 plus 18 into 2. Next element will be second row into second column, that is minus 1 into 2 plus 18 into 0. Next element will be second row into third column, minus 1 into 3 plus 18 into minus 2. And the next element is second row into fourth column, that is minus 1 into minus 4 plus 18 into 1. And the third row will be third row into first column, that is 1 into 1 plus 15 into 2. And the next element is 1 into 2 plus 15 into 0. Next element is 1 into 3 plus 15 into minus 2. And the last element is the third row into fourth column, that is 1 into minus 4 plus 15 into 1. So AB into C will be equal to 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 3, 6 minus 2, that is plus into minus, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus 1 minus 1 plus 18 2 is 36. Next minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 18 into 0, 0. Next minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 18 into minus 2, minus 36. Minus 1 into minus 4, 4 plus 18 into 1, 18. Next 1 into 1, 1 plus 15 2, 15 2 is 15 2 is 30. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 15 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3 minus 15 into minus 2 is, that is minus 30. 3 minus 30. 1 into minus 4, minus 4 plus 15. That is AB into C will be equal to, so 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 6 minus 2, 4, minus 8 plus 1, minus 7, minus 1 plus 36, 35, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 minus 36 is minus 39. 4 plus 18, 22, 1 plus 30, 31, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 minus 30, minus 27, minus 4 plus 15, we get 11. So that is AB into C is 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22, 31, 2, minus 27, 11. We call this as equation 1. Next, we shall find BC and finally we find the product of A into BC. So let us consider B into C. So matrix B is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. C matrix. So C matrix is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. As usual, the rule is row into column. So B matrix is of the order 3 into 2 and C matrix will be of the order 2 into 4. So the product matrix BC will be of the order 3 into 4. BC is equal to first row into first column. So 1 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Next element will be first row second column 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Next element is first row into third column, that is 1 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2. Next element will be first row into fourth column, that is 1 into minus 4 plus 3 into 1. Next row will be second row into first column 0 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next element will be second row into second column 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Next element will be second row into third column 0 into 3 plus 2 into minus 2. Next element is second row into fourth column 0 into minus 4 plus 2 into 1. Now the next row is third row into first column minus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Third row into second column, so minus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Next element is third row into third column, minus 1 into 3 plus 4 into minus 2. Next the last element is third row into fourth column, that is minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 into 1. So BC will be equal to 1 plus 3 2s are 6, 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 3, 3 plus minus 6, 1 into minus 4, minus 4 plus 3. Next 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 2, 4, 0 into 2, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. So 0 into 3, 0 plus minus 4, 0 into minus 4, 0 plus 2 into 1, 2. Next is minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 plus 0. Next minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus minus 8. So minus 1 into minus 4 is 4 plus 4. So BC will be equal to 7, 2, 3 minus 6, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, minus 1 plus 8, 7, minus 2, minus 3 minus 8, minus 11, so 4 plus 4, 8. So that is the product BC. Next we shall consider A into BC. Consider A into BC. So which will be equal to A. A matrix is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. And BC is 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2. 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. Row into column. So A matrix will be of the order. So A matrix is of order 3 into 3. And BC matrix is of the order 3 into 4. So the product of A and BC will be of the order 3 into 4. Will be of the order 3 into 4. So first row, first column 1 into 7 plus 1 into 4 plus minus 1 into 7. Next element is first row into second column, that is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Next will be first row into third column, that is 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus minus 1 into minus 11. Minus 11. Next will be first row into the fourth column, that is 1 into, so 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 8, minus 1 into 8. Next will be second row into first column, that is 2 into 7 plus 0 into 4, 0 into 4 plus 3 into 7. Next is second row into second column, 2 into 2 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into minus 2. So next will be second row into third column, that is 2 into minus 3 plus 0 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus 11. Next element will be second row into fourth column, 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 8. So now third row into first column, that is 3 into 7 plus minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7. Next is third row into second column, 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 2. Third row into third column, that is 3 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 11. 2 into minus 11. Next element is third row into third column, that is 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 8. So A into BC is equal to, so 1 into 7 plus 4 minus 7, 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus 3 minus 4 plus 11. So minus 1 plus 2 minus 8. So 2 sevens are 14 plus 0 into 4 0 plus 3 into 7 21, 2 2s are 4 plus 0 into 0 0, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 0 minus 33, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 24. 3 into 7 21 minus 4 plus 14, 3 2s are 6 plus 0 minus 4 minus 9 plus 4 minus 22, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 8s are 16. So A into BC will be 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 11 4. So minus 1 plus 2 1 minus 8 minus 7 14 plus 21 35, 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 39 22. So 21 plus 4 35, 35 minus 4 31, 6 minus 4 2. So minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 minus 27 minus 5 plus 16 is 11. Call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2 we have AB into C is equal to A into BC. So that completes this problem. Okay, thank you.